Welcome to Ask UP, where we'll be answering some of the more general questions that we get about the new unitary patent. It's reducing costs and complexity for applicants wanting to enjoy protection for their inventions in Europe. But it is giving rise to some questions, and we hope that here we can clarify things for you. Does the unitary patent replace European patents? No. European patents and unitary patents will coexist in the patent marketplace. In fact, the unitary patent is no more than a European patent with unitary effect. What does this mean? You'll get a great high-quality search at an early stage, and a little while later, you'll then go on to examination and, fingers crossed, on to grant. It's only then that you then make your choice as to whether or not you wish to enjoy your rights as a single right, the unitary right, in 17 countries all at once, or you go down the classic national validation route for each individual country where the market matters to you. Though this may be more expensive. The choice is obvious.